Hi there, this is Andy, and today I will guide you through the process of opening an IRA account on WealthFront, picking your portfolio and funding it. To begin, click the link below the video or visit the WealthFront website. Once there, click Automated Investing. From the drop-down, select Retirement IRAs. Before opening an IRA with WealthFront, you should know that it's an automated investing platform with a $500 minimum to get started. You will answer a few questions to determine your risk level, and from there, WealthFront builds and manages your portfolio. You can customize the sectors you want to invest in, adjusting assets allocations to match your preferences, but the platform handles the rest, automating rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, and long-term growth strategies. Now that you know all that, if you're ready to proceed, click Start Investing, then click Retirement. The options here are for traditional, Roth, SEP IRA, which is for self-employed individuals and small business owners, and roll over a 401k to an IRA. We will keep it simple and focus on the two most common IRA accounts, the Roth IRA and the traditional IRA. While both retirement programs share similarities, there are significant differences between them that you need to understand before opening one. I have created a detailed video that provides information on all you need to know, so if you're not aware of which one to pick, please check the video on the description. Quickly though, the main differences between a Roth IRA and a traditional IRA are in the tax treatment, income limits, and withdrawal rules. Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars, and qualified withdrawals are tax-free, while traditional IRA contributions may be tax-deductible, but withdrawals are taxed. Last main difference is that Roth IRAs have income limits for eligibility and no required minimum distributions, whereas traditional IRAs have no income limits for contributions but require minimum distribution starting at age 73. For this video, I will proceed and open a traditional IRA account. The steps for opening a Roth IRA account are identical, so pick the account type you wish and click Next. Add your first and last name and continue. Since this is a real account, I will hide my personal information. Add your email address and password and click I am not a robot so you can continue. Next, you have to provide them with a phone number so you can receive a 6-digit code to verify it. Time to build your portfolio. This is where WealthFront will ask a few questions in order to determine financial goals and tax situation. Click Continue to get started. Add your date of birth, annual household income before tax, liquid net worth, and answer the first questions. Imagine you started with $10,000 investment, then in 1 month your investment lost $1,000 in value. What will you do next? Well, if your horizon of investment is 1 month, you better not invest at all. That's all I'm going to say. You can answer the question on your own. There are more questions. Please go through them. There are no wrong or right answers. So answer them based on what would you do in each situation. Now you get to pick which portfolio you want to use to grow your wealth, so you have the option to compare them. The only difference between the two is that the socially responsible give emphasis on sustainability, diversity, and equality. The other one apparently doesn't. But pick the one that works best for you and continue. Both of them have the same 0.25% advisory fee. Just answering 2 questions and picking your portfolio. Your personalized portfolio is now ready. I would expect more questions, to be honest, but anyways, that's what they do. They've been successful in doing it, so I'm not going to judge it. Based on my choices, I got a 9.5 out of 10 risk level, but I have the option to make more or less. Let's assume I'm comfortable with an 8 out of 10. I will click the negative symbol. My portfolio allocation has changed accordingly. I will try 10 out of 10. The breakdown doesn't seem bad to me. Keep in mind that your investments do go on ETFs. Those are Vanguard ETFs mostly. ETFs usually are much safer than buying single stocks since they are consisted by multiple stocks, so the chances of an absolute collapse are quite minimal. Once you pick your level of risk, click Continue. Unlike majority of the brokers out there that they request the funding to take place at the end, WealthFront asks for the account to be linked to the bank prior. That is not an issue as we can link it now. Click Link an external account. Pick one of the banks presented here or search for the one you have an account on. I use Capital One for example. Select your bank and click Agree and Continue. On the pop-up, you will get a breakdown of what information WealthFront will acquire from your bank, which is the accounts, transactions, and contact info. If you're okay with that, which is pretty standard, click Continue. On the new browser window, and once you have logged into your bank account, you will see this following message. WealthFront would like to access your account information. Click Continue. Select the accounts you want to share data with. Usually I pick one checking account to share with so I can easily deposit and withdraw funds when needed. Click Continue, and then the last step is to authorize it. Done. Now you will be prompted back to your WealthFront window. Click Select My Funding Account, which is the one you just connected. Click on it and then select the amount you would like to transfer. I will not proceed any further, as I already have maxed my IRA contributions for 2024 and 2025, and if I proceed, that would be a violation. However, to proceed and complete your account, follow these steps. Add your social security number, pick your tax filing status, and then answer a few questions such as adding your liquid net worth, your pre-tax income, employment status in which you will need to add your employer's information, and last, if you or anyone else is holding more than 10% of a public company, has affiliations with FINRA, and a total value of 50 million or more. Most likely, if you did, you wouldn't be watching this video. So most likely the answer is no, but please answer what applies to you. Last, read the disclosure and the agreement forms, and if you're okay with them, check the I acknowledge and agree and click Open Account. Great, your IRA application has been completed. But as you can see, there are a few more questions pending in order to open an IRA account, which was the main goal. In the meantime, I have received 2 emails. One was for me to verify the email address, which was easy, and the second email asked me to provide extra documents as they couldn't verify my identity automatically. It could be the same case for you or not. But if it is, click Request a link to continue in the app and then upload a proof of address. That could be a bank statement or a utility bill with your name and address on it. Once you receive the link, verify your identity, you will be asked to download the application and log in. Do so and continue the verification in there. All you need is your driver license or ID. You will have to take a picture of the back and front of ID and then a picture of yourself. Last step is to upload the proof of address. And you're done. Now all you need to do is wait for a day or so they can process all the information. And that's pretty much all. The only thing you have to do is just add money, and WealthFront will distribute it across the 6-7 ETFs they have chosen for your portfolio based on your picks. I hope that this video helped you to create an IRA account on WealthFront, pick your portfolio and fund it. Please like, subscribe and comment your questions below. I will be more than happy to get back to you. Talk to you soon.